Hi, it's Steve here from County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a lovely 2019 SEAT Ateca automatic that's just arrived with us in stock. Now this car is finished in Reflex silver metallic and actually comes with some factory specified options which we'd like to give you a short video and walk you around the car. Now, the first thing you notice when you move inside, you've got plenty of space in the Ateca, so it's a lovely seating position. Not as high as a proper four-wheel drive, big four-wheel drive, but higher than a conventional hatchback. Lovely sports seats with micro suede and leather steering wheel. This one is powered with the 7-speed automatic DSG gearbox, so super smooth in its acceleration. You really don't know that the car is actually changing gear for you. Plenty of room in the back, so there's seating for 3. You can see we've pulled down the optional centre armrest here as well, which does give you access into the boot if you just need to grab something quickly. And you also benefit from having 2 Isofix fixing points in the back as well. Lovely silver 17-inch alloy wheels. Parking sensors all the way around, so parking sensors at the front and at the rear. And you notice that this particular model has a level access into the boot, which makes life very easy for carrying slightly awkward objects. Show you, you've also got 2 USB-C sockets in the back, as well as air conditioning vents. When we move up to the important bit, move up to the driver's seat, you can just jump in. You've got a lovely armrest that's adjustable there. You've got climate control. You've got a wireless phone charger. You have the little circular dial there that changes the driving profiles. You have a push button stop and start. Now you also have in this one as well self parking if you'd like it to. Satellite navigation, digital radio, as well as using Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Now with the automatic gearbox you have the paddle shift option, so you can change gear without taking your hands off the wheel if you'd like to drive it in a manual mode. Now believe it or not, this one has only covered 22,400 miles, so it's very, very low mileage, and I hope this video really gives you an idea of its condition because it's been very well looked after. One thing I didn't mention was that it has got a factory fitted panoramic glass sunroof. Now these are lovely, it makes the car so much lighter. It comes with a big sunshade that's electric, so if you don't want the heat coming in you can adjust that. Now if I just buzz inside and click, I'm going to jump out quickly, so set it going, and then if I jump out you can see the wind deflector pops up and it really brings the outside inside. So really nice feature, an expensive option when the car was new, but something that is lovely. Full LED headlights as you'd expect on this sort of model, which is brilliant. And the other thing this one has as well is a removable single tow bar, so for a bike rack, garden trailer, you've got that as well. Thanks for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. For any other information, please get in touch.